Hey everyone, I'm Mike,
And I'm Arjun.
and we're the co-founders of Luxonic. We're really excited to give you a live preview of SieVRt's medical education module. SieVRt is our virtual reality radiology reading room, and in SieVRt's medical education module, you get access to hundreds of radiology teaching cases in a full-featured, distraction-free, immersive environment. Let's check it out.
Here's a zoomed-out view of SieVRt's medical education module. From here, you can access teaching case servers with many different types of teaching cases. Cases you'd like to review will appear in your case list to the left here. When you select a case to review, associated case images will appear here, and case details like findings and diagnosis will appear here. For self-directed learning, you can unhide case details one at a time, and to review case images, drag an image thumbnail from the case tray and move it into one of your monitors. Each monitor can support displaying multiple images. In SieVRt's immersive reading room, you have access to annotation tools like angles, measurements, and arrows. Now, let's take a look at it from inside the headset. This is a different teaching case, a CT. I can adjust my window width and level using one of the presets or manual adjustment as well if I'd like. I can scroll through the stack naturally to isolate the slice that I want to examine further. Soon, we'll be releasing our collaboration module, and when combined with the medical education module, it can be used for both self and directed learning. That's a sneak peek at SieVRt's medical education module. We hope you enjoyed it.